sometimes we get some really interesting guitars appear on the workbench. This is a National Val Trol Junior guitar. It's nearly original. Not all of the knobs are correct, but the rest of it is pretty much as it should be. There's a little bit of damage on the headstock, but otherwise it's in quite good condition. So this has come in really for a setup and a little bit of remedial work. What's quite interesting about this Val Trol Junior, and it distinguishes it from the Val Trol, is that there is just one magnetic pickup. This pickup, I believe, has been mended and rewired. But as well as this magnetic pickup, there is a piezo under the bridge. And this can be controlled, has its own volume control. This pickup has its own volume control. And then there is a master tone. And over here we have a master volume with a strange looking knob on it. And you can switch between a magnetic pickup in the neck position, both pickups, and the piezo. So the neck pickup is very, very muddy. It has quite an interesting tone to it. But what's quite nice is by switching in the piezo and balancing the volume of the piezo, you can brighten up the sound. And if you want to use the piezo on its own, you can get a sort of an acousticy type sound.